7 a.m. guys, we are loading up what the people need to succeed. Organic produce. Right in there. Let's rush through this day so we can get to some fish. All loaded up. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we are 7.5 hours later and we are done. That's my truck right here. We're gonna do the old switcheroo. I'm gonna go pick up Shane, get Patrick, and then it's off to the fishing hole. Alright guys, we just got it loaded up. Now it's time to go pick up Shane and Patrick. What is up YouTube? Today we are here at the Fox River. We are fishing with a local Fox River legend. He goes by the name of Patrick.
What's up guys?
He kills, absolutely slays the flathead on the river, and ideally that's what we're gonna get into tonight. We got Shane here.
What up guys?
And we are gonna just do what we can to catch whatever we can, and we will give you a bunch of updates along the way. Appreciate you guys watching. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Oh! Nice, dude. Nice bass. Here's Patrick with a nice largemouth bass. Awesome. Oh, look at this skeleton right here of a bass. That's really cool. So you're out here going for bluegill for bait, right?
Yeah, unfortunately got a bass.
What are you using for them?
Just a little piece of worm.
Okay, so we're using a little night crawler right there on a float. We're going for bluegill to use for a bigger fish. Alright guys, so we are actually having trouble getting bluegill, surprisingly, as far as Patrick is concerned. He's using his tactics that he normally does, night crawlers under a float. It's not working out well. So we're gonna take these frogs. Shane's gonna go to our usual frogging spot, and ideally he'd find bluegill there, and we'd everybody's happy. We get our frog and bass, and he gets his bluegill, so we can set up for the night and get some flathead. Right now I'm gonna grab the truck, go back to meet him, pick him up, and then we're gonna head to the other location. Stay tuned. Guys, so we just finished up at that one spot. Patrick was able to catch 2 bluegill actually while I got the truck. So now we're gonna head to a different location, see what we can do. Let's go. We got his wagon, we got our wagon.
And I keep all my junk in my trunk.
Awesome, another bass, dude. Great job. Where'd you get this one on? Oh, nice. Here we are, guys. Patrick out here. Fox River OG, showing us how it's done. Second bass of the night. Way to go, bro. We call that flathead candy? Yeah. Awesome. We're gonna use this guy for bait, and he's not even gonna be. Oh. On to the next one. I'll throw him in the bucket for you. All right, another bluegill, guys. This is good size, or you like the bigger ones?
Yeah, bigger one.
All right, bigger bluegill than this. We're gonna show you the setup later on for the flatheads, but he uses bigger bluegill than this. We're gonna go put him in the bucket. Nice. It's a good start to the night, huh, Patrick? Then you have the aerator there. And that's just going to keep them all lively, so that's cool. Awesome. As you can hear in the background, it's definitely 4th of July. That's crazy, those fireworks going on. So we're using this green sunfish Patrick's cut bait. Nice, look at that. 4 solid pieces. Can we get flathead on this, or just the majority of his channels?
I've caught 2 of my big flatheads on cut bait.
Oh, awesome.
Always want to make sure the scale is not on the hook. There we go. Just like that. Got one, guys.
Oh yeah, Patrick's on. What do we got? In the net. Nice. Channel catfish. Fox River. Awesome fish, Patrick. What did we get that one on?
Just a piece of bluegill.
Bluegill head. There we go. With that cut bait we were using earlier. Little green sunfish. Heck yeah. Good job, dude. Jumping up there. Awesome fish, dude. This is Patryk, P-A-T-R-Y-K on Instagram. Oh yeah, dude, great fish. Good bait, flathead candy. Alright, so we're gonna rig up live bluegill for flathead catfish. There is some boat traffic coming by, but we'll show you the rig. Patrick's got the hook in there, so he hooks them right behind the, or right above the tail there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
About like a foot of 50-pound fluorocarbon, and then we got a 4-ounce weight.
Okay, nice. Four-ounce weight. There we go. Jeremy weight status. There we go. So if the fish pulls, that drag is just gonna go loosely, and that's how Patryk does his setup. Live bluegill, circle hook. Let's go. Lighting's good? Oh yeah, okay, thank you, bro. Dude, it's gotta be a flathead. Yeah, it is. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah. Guys, we're on the Fox River. I'm here with Patryk, Fox River OG. And he just put me on my first legit Fox River flathead with a, I mean, I was using a cut live bait bluegill. Well, I was using a cut bait bluegill. Yeah, let's go up here, guys. Oh my God. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Can I hold it by the mouth? Guys. Oh my god. This is amazing, dude. This isn't the same one, right? It's got a cut right there. Oh wow, so strong. So strong. I'm not dropping it. Yeah? Hold it up a little bit. Is it filming still?
No, you just press something and change it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have my shit's slimy, so I hope it was filming. Oh. Whoa. It's filming right now. Wait. I thought you had one and shit. No, I'm just gonna go throw them in the water real quick with your net. Oh, you're good. Okay. You got a scale by chance? Yeah. Oh, dude. I see more people holding it like this. Okay. There we are, guys. Fox River Flathead. Patrick, come over, bro.
know what better lighting you want.
This is Patrick right here, dude. Fox River OG. He just put me on this Flathead Catfish. Like, we're using cut bait over here. Using a bluegill head. And this is by far the biggest Flathead Catfish I've ever caught in my life. Biggest catfish I've caught in my life. And just holding them, my fingers are bleeding. No lie. Amazing. You said you had a scale, right?
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna get the weight of this guy, and we're gonna throw him right back in the water. Still in there?
No, the hook should be out. I think
No,
you
it's
just...
right here. I mean, this guy would know better than anybody.
Yeah,
He says it's good.
Yeah,
it's
it'll
good.
stay alive. Those things will stay alive for 20, 30 minutes out of water.
I can clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up real quick.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Be careful.
Dude, you think I did? I mean, if there was any rod I wanted on, was that rod. It was that rod that I wanted on if it happened, you know? Look how beautiful this thing is, dude. My thumb is ripped up. I'm not fishing for the next few days. Here we are with the coyotes howling in the background. What is he?
He's about 19. Let's see.
Are you serious? Yeah. Are you serious? Oh my god, guys. I just caught
A 20 pounder.
Basically a 20 pounder, just under 20-pound catfish here, Fox River. And this is the man that put me on him, Patryk. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh my god, bro.
So like, you want to release them, or
Yeah,
you want to?
yeah. What?
You want to put them on the string and take better pictures on sunrise, because sunrise is in an hour.
Okay.
What if I catch a second one where you could have a double fish?
Yep. All right. Okay, 1 second. Shh. Guys, I just caught a 20-pound flathead on 20-pound Power Pro. What an epic fight. Can you also do something with this? I don't know. I have it filming, bro. So we're gonna put this on a stringer just in case. Look at that, guys. Beautiful Fox River Flathead Catfish. I'm so stoked to catch this fish. It's my only fish I've caught today. We're out here with Patrick. He's showing us the ropes. And this is what we came out here for. 20 pounders all day, baby. Wow. Isn't that such a beautiful thing, dude? Oh. Fox River, bro. Dude, I'm so stoked for this. Oh, you put it through his gills too? Okay. And they're straight? I'll throw him in for you so you're not hanging. He's not hanging. Where are we going? Right here? Yeah, and then later on we'll do a release. I know it'll be weird. Are you? Oh, yeah. That will be weird, but it's fine. Well, we could even explain what we're doing. I don't think it'll be a big deal. Oh, dude. Thanks, dude.
Oh, yeah. Good shit.
Look at that shit, dude.
I got Neosporin.
No, I'm straight, but like, wow. Patrick, bro. Thanks, man. God damn it, thanks. I wouldn't be in this spot if it wasn't for you, you know what I'm saying? No, we're good. Yeah, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. I'm eating what Patrick refers to as prison food. So I got a mouthful. Eating what Patrick would refer to as prison food as we are landing another catfish. What? We got a bass on cut bait, bro. Oh, that's a nice one. Wow. Oh my God.
That's a hot one.
He gutted that.
That's a nice 3-4 pounder.
Look, literally, he gutted that.
It's about 3.5. Solid. This is solid.
Do you have pliers where we can like get them in there and cut my front off, you know? So I could just pull that out?
I could do surgery on that. I could pull that out.
Because I don't mind cutting that hook. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then we could just slide it right out. Dude, he had...
With caught like 2 bass on
He had my shit pulled all the way through to my, whatchamacallit. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, good fish. Nice fish. Hey, Shane. Going for catfish, bro. Yeah. There's that prison food, bro. I got it on camera while I'm reeling them in. Oh, I thought I had a catfish. It's okay that I showed that, right? On camera? I could cut it out. The prison food? I refer to it as prison food. I'm just making sure. I have to make sure. This one? No, I'm letting him go. Yeah. Because, no. I can't give you this one. So don't ask. I'm sorry. Huh? I gotta let it go.
That's a bad.
Yeah, because if you got pliers in there and just cut that front barb, then we could, you know what I mean, without, because that barb's the only thing that's going to damage it if we pull it out. Nope. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Look at that. Do you mind? You could see me in there. Well, you saw the unhook on this camera. Okay. So Patryk just unhooked this. Oof. It's hard to even hook this guy because that other fish we caught earlier damaged my thumb, but look at that. We're just fishing for catfish on the bottom. That's what I thought I had. And we got this nice largemouth bass. Beautiful fish. Gonna take him and go release him. Oops, sorry. Do you mind? I'm gonna release. Sorry. Nice fish, man.
Nice.
Yeah.
You.
Smells like fish. Oh, you got. Oh,
Oh, that one is for the catfish.
there you go.
Yeah.
Use the little ones for the big ones.
Yeah, that big little one.
There you go.
Just bring that middle.
Hell yeah, man.
I'm trying. Supposed to make the blow is in like.
There we go. Just using cut bluegill on the bottom. Seems to be the deal today. Alright guys, we put it on the stringer so we can get some better pictures when it got light out. Here it is, just under 20 pounds. Fox River. Patryk put me on this guy with some cut bluegill. That's what I was using. Just happened to get it right and catch him. Just happened to be my lucky day today. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful fish. We use the Jeremy Wade approach. I've never caught anything like this, dude. I mean, I've caught some fish big like this, carp-wise, but amazing. You're like, let's just get this shit over, just get me home, and let's just... Isn't it fun? All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us right now. It is just under 8 a.m. and we are gonna head out. Had a great night out there. Patryk showed us the ropes on how to catch flathead. I learned a lot as far as presentation and just how to target flathead. So I'm grateful for that. Patryk, have anything to say, buddy?
Nothing. I'm just tired after a long night.
Yeah, we're all a little tired,
Yes,
but
tired.
pumped up and ready to go. Shane, good night.
Yes, it was a great night.
Yeah, it was still a fun night. Caught some fish, had a great night, and we'll see you guys very soon. Be sure to subscribe, snag that like button, and don't forget to watch us every Friday, 10 a.m. All right, that'll work.